Now I will be going to apply base coat. And do some French tip with the white satin. We'll do French tip. I will do double coat. We'll apply double coat. And classic manicure with red polish. Apply the double coat. going to top coat. And now this is my finish presentation with the French and classic with with color. Bacterial infections, minute single-cell organisms of varied shapes. Large numbers of bacteria inhabit the surface of the skin and are harmless, non-pathogenic, and did some play an important positive role in the health of the skin. Others, however, are harmful, pathogenic, and can cause skin diseases. Viral infections, minute entities too small to see even under an ordinary microscope. They are considered to be parasites as they require living tissue in order to survive. Viruses invade healthy body cells and multiply within the cell. In due course, the cell walls break down, liberating new viral particles to attack further cells, and thus the infection spreads. Fungal diseases. Fungi are microscopic plants. They are parasites dependent upon the host for their existence. Fungal diseases of the skin feed off the waste products of the skin. Some fungi are found on the skin surface. Other attack the deeper tissues. Reproduction of fungi is by means of simple cell division or by the products of spores. Thank you for watching.